Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn off history remembering on your Firefox. So for doing this, just go to the settings and here you need to find settings. Just click on it and here you will find privacy and security. So just open it and scroll down to until you will see history. So just click on privacy and security and scroll down. So here you will find history and here you will find option Firefox will. Here you can see that also remember history, but click here and you will see never remember history. So now you need to restart your Firefox, and after it will restart Firefox it won't remember any history, any sites you open, any sites you view and search, and you won't have history. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.